Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how you can use Discord bots to build around your server. It's pretty simple. Discord has not Discord, but there are a couple of bots on the internet like Me6, Dinobot, and several more that can help you set up some few good, really entertaining and fun automations for your YouTube channel. I mean, for your server channel. So if we're starting with Me6, it's a really interesting bot. I mean, I would just give you an example of a Me6 bot. You got to go ahead and open it up on Google, search it up, and click on Add to Discord. It will ask for some prompts and permissions. You have to go ahead and give it to it, and it should be. I mean, yeah, there it is. So you would ask for my access. I just got to go ahead and authorize it, and then go ahead and choose some from a bunch of my servers. I accepted, these whatever it's saying. So these are like some of my servers that I have created, and I would just go ahead and set up for my brainstorming server and just click on setup. It would ask for a little more access after this. Yeah, there we go. It just did. Click on continue. So after giving the access, it would have permissions to some of these things like view autolog, manage webhooks, administrator, manage server. You just gotta go authorize, and pretty much it. Yeah, don't worry about my profile picture. It's a little too interesting, but yeah, guys, if that is what you want to do, this is how you do it. And if you got any questions, go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. I will come back with a relevant answer. Until then, y'all take it easy.